It is bath day today at the cabin, so my husband and I went to go pump water last night, and we didn't have much luck at all. Between the cold temperatures and the mock chicken winds, the pump didn't want to run properly, and the line froze after a few minutes of struggling with it. So I guess today we'll be kicking it old school and melting snow to wash our hair and have our baths. So before we jump into a little tub of water, we always just wash our hair over the kitchen sink first. I need to throw the water through a sifter first. The birch trees have let loose a bunch of little seeds all into the snow, so to get that out, I just put it through a sifter and then we can use the water.
Crickets see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
One nice thing about the cold temperatures is that they're usually accompanied by beautiful sunny days. So the solar panels have just been killing it this past week or so. I haven't been having to bump up the batteries in the morning and only having to do it at nighttime around supper for about 2 hours. So that's been really great. Here's the little tote that we bath in when we're really trying to conserve on water. And believe it or not, I also fit in here. My scooper. Where's my scooper? Got it.
Look at my.
Come here, baby. Grab a bath.
Which doesn't work?
What's that?
It doesn't work.
What doesn't work?
Yeah, both.
Oh yeah, it works. I'm just trying to get all the little seeds out from the birch trees. Those crazy birch trees were putting seeds in the snow. Want to check them out?
Yeah.
Those are little baby birch trees. Little seeds.
Oh, I love them.
They're so cute, eh?
Are you
gonna have a bath, Marley?
No. I love this color.
Okay, how much more should we put in?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, who's going first? Russell? Oh, Marley. Oh dear.
Me.
Maybe Russell will go first. Okay? Okay. Okay, you can press stop. So that took a little over 4 hours to melt all that snow and turn it into water. We were doing this throughout a regular day of homeschool and whatnot, so it may have taken less hours if we were actually really on top of it. But we were able to get the 2 little kids bathed, Shale, Jade, and my hair done, and then Jade had a bath out of that. Shale and I had to steal the last bit of water out of the tank to put into our blue tubs to do our bath, but we were able to get everybody tip-top. And I actually was able to get 2 sinkfuls out of that melted snow as well to do some dishes that were piling up. Regardless of whether I have running water or not, I've always done dishes the same. It's just the way I was taught and how I was raised. I do it with as hot a water as my hands can stand in rubber gloves. I always start with the cups and then utensils, and after that I look for the cleanest possible things. So I've got pot lids or popcorn bowl or snack bowls that are pretty much clean anyway. I do those, and then I will just go in a progression from cleanest to dirtiest. As soon as my water starts getting gross, I will throw the rest of the dishes in it, let it soak, scrub those. They look clean, but they're not clean yet. I put them off to the side, and then I'll do a whole new batch of water. And then those ones that I've just kind of rinsed, they go into that fresh water, and I wash those. A little off-grid trick to save on water as well is if you have a spatula and you clean off your plates into the garbage can after each meal, and then your water isn't getting gross as fast. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.